Opening a computer and replacing the hard drive inside of it. Let's begin. We're gonna unscrew this one on the left top corner, or my left, your
whichever
right.
you prefer.
Yeah.
No, that's gonna take way longer. No, I'll just run it. Put another
This one is missing a screw, so I don't really need to take one out.
Why do you get rid of all the screws?
So it can open properly and not be stuck. And we put the screws on the foam pad.
So you don't lose them.
That is true. Take out all the screws to make sure it will open up. Other one, right there. This one is missing a screw as well. So we're gonna have to put in the extra one when we're done closing it up and doing our procedure.
The audience shouldn't worry if there's a screw missing, right?
That is true. Yeah, because we have a bin over there for screws that have been not used, so it's extra ones.
But people don't deserve them. If they lose them, they don't deserve them.
That is true. Unless just one of us made a mistake and didn't put them in. Then we grab a flathead. Because this is gonna go inside it. Twist it a bit, get it lifted up, then you gotta pull it back. This is not very formal. We used to have a tool for this, but it had broken.
Look at Jill, look at that muscle, man. That's incredible.
There is a screw here. I cannot see there is a screw here. There is one. I have made a mistake. Not just me. I have made a mistake.
It's alright. That's why we make these tutorials, so even we can learn off of them.
This is done. I'm gonna put it right here. The screws fall out. And this seems to have been broken. Yeah, leave that alone. And we're replacing the hard drive, which is this device right here. We go with this one, or preferably whichever one you would like. We just wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. Well, keep going until we're done. There's still one more left to my left. Oh wait, the one to my left is missing as well. I will have to put another one in later. So we put it, we unplug it. We unplug this little cable right here. Right here. We unplug it. We just pull this. It's done. See? But when 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the side.
Can I see them?
You make an X. You unscrew them in an X. So starting from the left here. I'm gonna just unscrew as fast as I can. We're gonna put it down, then we flip it to this side. This one. Down it there. Then we go here. In the process of being made. Ow. Stab myself. I am on it. Little pun. Then we get the last one in this corner. And I just realized I forgot to unplug the cord that is connected to the motherboard, which does not matter. I will have
it's
plug it anyway. That is true. And it has fallen. Then we never grab this because it will break the hard drive. So we never touch the green part or anything on it. Only the metal sides. And we plug this cable out.
Sorry, do you mind if I...
Take this out, slide it out. Leave it somewhere.
By the way, that's called a caddy.
I don't remember. Then we get this and we pull this part out like this and put it back. And we grab. Then we have a new one in its new box. We have a new one in its box because the bell rang. We put this one down on the surface. So now we open it. Don't mind the papers.
My brother said if I want to, I can get a full ride.
Here's the new one. Perfect packaging.
I
And
know
open it
I
up.
can, but he calls me smart.
Grab it by the sides. new and beautiful. Then we get it here. It is the wrong way.
Because that's what us technicians say nowadays. You know, like we see a cute girl, we're just like, hey, and we see a hard drive, we think, oh, that's an incredible hard drive.
That is amazing. It's physically built.
Yeah.
Then we put this down. Then we don't mind it might be a minute.
I'm on window
We get a
tomorrow.
screw and screw it back in. Don't mind the shaky hand. I am very nervous.
Nervous about what? You're a professional.
Ooh, this is too. Then you hear the joking around in the background. We put it down again, pick up a new screw, and the screw is hard drive. Wait.
So it doesn't let me like render
You
the
put it
video
here.
because I have it on my phone.
Yeah, we just screw. Yeah, we just screw it in. Yeah.
This is like pro tips. Instead of just putting the screw like on the side of the caddy, you put it on your actual screwdriver
That is true.
and place it
No, but like,
on the caddy.
It just renders
And
30
remember,
seconds.
whenever you do this, you always want to make it
Oh,
in an
but then
X.
it like it crashes.
You want to do it
what
in
I'm
an
trying to
X
do is,
so that you won't get extremely
you know,
shocked.
myself, the video for
Then we
it to
just
not.
screw it in, and we're good. It's fine. Then we get the other side. And I'm sorry, I just stabbed my recorder.
No, but like, to do
Your
that,
computer.
I need to
I
export
thought I was
the
your
video,
friend, Gio.
which I can't
You're my
do
cameraman at the
because
moment.
It only renders 30 seconds of it.
You get
but
the
then
other
it crashes.
screw in. Just give it a minute.
I don't mind doesn't have phone cord.
No, Eddie does.
And it seems that these may not be the right ones.
Because I have to. That box is in the way. What do I do?
These do not seem to want to fit. They are the wrong size ones. We have been putting. We may need to look for another ones. Give it a minute. We have been putting in the incorrect ones for a second.
Always remember, you want to make sure to put in the right size screws, or else the caddy's not gonna actually fit with the hard drive.
That is true. So now we must find the other one. This one is perfectly fit, and we will leave that there for a second and look around our station for a screw. It is not in the computer, so that is a good thing. We will look in our map to see if we have placed it in here in accident. And it seems like it is right here.
Good.
Then we put it on here again, like we did the other ones, and we screw it in right here. We're screwing, and we have finished.
But don't forget, there are a couple more steps, Joe. Come on.
And then we get it like this. Then we grab the piece we disconnected from the other hard drive and plug it in.
I told him 500 times I'm done. You guys had a month. Like, I don't feel bad.
The charger?
You guys can turn the lights on.
No.
Then we plug it in, make sure it clicks. Then it is nice and perfect. And we get these nice and small ones that go right here. These are harder to keep on because they have not wanting to listen. Then we align it to this hole and we screw in again.
Mr. Diaz probably wants both lights off.
Everybody wants both
Then,
lights off.
He said yeah.
then we go to the floor. When we go to the floor, we pick up this nice screw that fell.
Chips.
Yeah, because that's where all us technicians keep our screws. We keep them on the floor.
Good joke.
I don't have.
And we make sure it goes in the thing proper. I keep stabbing myself. Okay, there you go.
You need to export
And
the
we
file.
just wait. We wait.
No,
We
no,
screw.
because it's not safe.
Now we go to the screw box because we are missing a screw for the hard drive. It is this way.
A freaking technician here. He'll help you. We can figure this out. Okay? Like, we made Raphael go.
We look for a small one that will fit in the hard drive area. And it should be this one, if I am not mistaken. Not that one. I accidentally picked that one up.
That one?
It should be this one. Theoretically, it should be the small one. Now we put it on here again. And where do we put it?
We made Raphael get it.
We make it right here. We make sure we get it in the hole. Might mess up a few times, but that's fine.
Isn't that life's problems? Never being able to get in the hole.
Yes, now we just wait to get it in. Isn't that another problem, waiting to get it in? Now we get the cover. No, wait, now we get the cord. This one.
No, that's a
And-
hard drive cable.
And we get it right set up. Now we get it right here. We're gonna plug it in right there, where it says HDD hard drive. And we make sure we align it to the proper
Guys, this is how
into.
everyone else did it, right?
And we're good.
You filmed on your phone and then you brought a cable in. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And then you go here
Oh, I'm not saying
and you fix it.
We made them break.
Dirty.
And make sure it clicks so we can hear it. And we
Has
get
anyone
this
done
broken
this on their
piece.
iPhone?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Get that broken piece and put it right there.
What if
Then,
you don't have a phone? Exactly.
then we get this other thing.
I don't know.
And we screw in again. Now we are doing the outside cover because we have finished putting in the hard drive.
Mike?
Another one.
Another one.
And we screw it in again.
You're
What?
fired.
Didn't you reply?
It's on fire.
No.
And now we get it again
Yes.
and screw in.
Wait, why are you doing it on my computer?
Now we
Yeah,
wait.
you're fine with that.
What are you doing?
Then just the rest. This will take the longest because you're just screwing in.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, still
I know him for 6
going.
years. We'll go and do camera.
And we get it in the bowl.
No, I know what I'm saying. That I placed the project on my phone.
It would be better with a power drill, but that's fine too. Then this one we screwed in as well. It never came out of the cover, so it's just gonna stay there.
What you saying?
Now we get another one for the outside. And all the screws are color coded. The ones for the inside are this blue that we've seen. These are the inside one, blue, blue. And the outside ones are these brown ones. So it's much easier to tell which ones go where. Now you just get it again and you start screwing again.
See, look at that. Us technicians don't cry about broken computers. We fix them.
That is true. And just a few more to make sure it's nice and good. And so going. Now we put this to the side. Put this to the side for now. And you grab this hard drive that we just took out. Put it back in.
Yes, 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 yes.
We put it in here where it used to be. We grab its mats that it came with. Nice and fits. Close it. Put this little sticker on for where it's gonna go. Do a nice. Here we go. Place it neatly in nicely and swiftly over that one. And we just smooth it over, make sure it fits. And we come over and get the tape. And
Are you gonna shoot me with that? I'm sorry, I'm not a good cameraman.
it is fine. It should be maniacal. And we get a nice long row. You get enough to go around it. Line it. Doesn't matter if you do. Just gotta make sure it gets held again. And it seems good.
Bring her up my attendance.
Nice and
I
good.
have like 15 days away.
And you put it on here. Part switcher.
There's a reason I'm not doing it.
That is
Am I right?
Mm-mm.
Because I'm short, right?
And that concludes the video.